Hi, today I'm joined with Steffano. Steffano, the first question I'd like to pose to you today is what is the benefit of an IDZ for large infrastructure projects such as Avon and Dedisa?
Okay, I would say that is a fundamental benefit. An IDZ, you see, it's a regulated and protected environment. It allows us to minimize project execution risk. For example, if we come to the two power generation projects that we built in South Africa, Avon and Dedisa, the technical configuration was the same, but we found very different local situations. Avon was located in the open countryside. It's about 1 hour north of Durban. Dedisa, on the contrary, is located in Port Elizabeth in the Kucha Development Corporation IDZ. And as such, this helped us avoid several challenges that we confronted in Avon, and if we compare the execution in the two sites, Dedisa had a very smooth and timely execution compared to Avon.
And what would you say were some of the key challenges working on these projects?
Well, I can elaborate a little bit on the challenges that we confronted in Avon. First of all, we had a very significant delay in the obtaining of the building permit. It's a permit that allows us to start civil works on site. It was a delay of about 6-7 months. Secondly, we had to confront a national strike of about 1 month in the steel construction sector. And above all, we had several protest actions staged by the local workforce of our subcontractors, which at the end degenerated into riots and even in a sabotage action, the fire that was set to one of the electrical buildings. So we had to put in place a recovery action. We had to confront the very serious risk of project cancellation, and the recovery plan was implemented together with the owner, with the owner's engineer, and with our subcontractors, and included changing the phases, optimizing the phases, working in parallel on different units, and even increasing the number of people on site.
And what's been some of the community response to these projects?
The local community is very important for such large infrastructure projects, especially in a country like South Africa. And Ansaldo was involved in several community initiatives, which were, I would say, vital in creating a collaborative environment with the local community. Most of these initiatives were in relation to local schools or youth facilities. For example, we did some school renovations, we did some other initiatives like road safety initiatives, etc.
And what are the future developments for Avon and Dedisa?
You see, Avon and Dedisa are peaking power plants that respond to the need of delivering power fast when it's required by the network. There are possibilities of enlarging the power plants or converting the power plants to gas usage. Currently they run on diesel fuel. This question should be asked to the owner, because we are just the company that built the power plant. But I can answer you as the EPC company. The gas turbines are dual fuel gas turbines, so they are currently running on diesel, but they are very suitable for gas. And when we designed the project layout, we even included an empty area in the project site. That area would be reserved for future expansion to combined cycle. The combined cycle is a more complicated cycle, includes a steam turbine, includes steam generator, the condenser, but provides a much higher efficiency. So it's up to the owner. When gas is available in South Africa, the plants can be expanded and converted to gas.
Thank you for sharing your insight with us today.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.